So I think it's more on having the expertise. But because the people deserve
Yan pa, get yours na.
the accurate information.
Mama, watch this magic on this.
Na masyado dito ating kababayan.
It disappeared.
So it's they deserve nothing.
What?
Truth, no? And we can only
Adam.
establish the truth.
This is mine.
There's inaccurate
This is mine.
information.
Oh, Ate Sky, oh, wow, oh, dalawa. Agad yung subo ni Ate Sky, oh, dalawa.
To have a special,
Dalawa?
um,
Cannot kayo do three?
so that they can effectively not only present the evidence, but effectively argue before the Senate after impeachment for the cases and the allegations against the President.
Paano po naghahanda kayo itong prosecution na panel?
Kakain ako pizza din.
Prosecution, at nagkaroon naman sila, since nagkaroon na po sila ng assignment, they are now preparing ang kanilang magiging response doon sa, kasi today I think that some of
Can
the
you be
Vice
this?
President has informed that they're in receipt.
Basic.
So what non-extendable sentence?
Hola!